Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. This pattern will be great for a baby's blanket, and also you can knit as a jean sweater, lady sweater, cardigan. See, this is the look of this pattern, and this is very easy to knit. This is the look of this pattern. See, wrong side looks like this, wrong side. See, so this is only 10 rows repeat pattern. I have done 3 repeats. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeat, 3 repeat, and this is 10 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 10 plus 2 edge stitch, multiples of 10 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 22 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 and plus 2 edge stitch 22. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side your edge stitch, knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in front, purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Purl 8, and then from here, after this second stitch, from here we're going to draw a loop like so, draw a loop and then knit these two, 1 and 2. That's the repeat, right? This is 10 stitch pattern, 10 stitch repeat pattern, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the extra loop, 9 10, right? This is the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern we have done purl 8, 2 4 6 8, draw loop and knit 2. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat here, purl 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Purl 8, yarn in back, draw loop from here and knit 2. One and 2, knit 2. We have done 2 repeats from here to here, and after you finish all repeats, your last edge stitch, knit. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, 1 2, purl 2, and then this loop, this extra loop and this one stitch, these two, we're going to purl these two together, right, and then purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 together and purl 7, 2 4 6 7. Again we have one more repeat, purl 2, 1 2, purl 2 together and purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And your last edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Purl 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, purl 6, 2 4 6, purl 6 and draw loop from here and knit 2, 1 2, knit this 2 and here knit 2, 1 and 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 6, 2, 4, 6, draw loop, knit 2 and then knit 2. Again purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, draw loop, see from here, draw loop, knit 2 and knit 2, 1, 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and then purl 2 together, this loop and this stitch, purl these 2 together and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2 together and purl 5, 2, 4, 5. Again purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2 together, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 5 right side, edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and then draw loop from here, knit this 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, draw loop, knit 2 and then knit 4. Again purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, draw loop, knit 2 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, edge stitch, knit. Row 6 edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, purl 6 and then purl 2 together and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2 together and purl 3. Again purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2 together, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, purl. Now row 7 your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1, 2, draw loop, knit 2 and knit 6, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, knit 6. That's the repeat. Purl 2, draw loop, knit 2 and then knit 6. Again purl 2, draw loop, knit 2, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6 and then edge stitch knit. Row 8, wrong side, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Purl 8 and then purl 2 together. Purl 2 together and purl 1. That's the repeat. Purl 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Purl 2 together and purl 1. Again, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then purl 2 together, purl 1. Edge stitch, purl. Row 9, right side. Row 9, right side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. See, we have here no purl stitch here, so draw loop, knit 2 and knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's the repeat. Draw loop, knit 2 and knit 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, draw loop, knit 2 and knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Now row 10, last row, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Purl 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Purl 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and then purl 2 together. This loop and this one stitch, purl 2 together. Right? That's the repeat. Purl 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and then purl 2 together. Again, purl 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 and last this loop, we're gonna knit this loop, purl this loop with this edge stitch, purl 2 together. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.